Welcome back on a rainy, sad, cloudy day. It's been raining for a few days, so it was time for me to come out and, while it's not actively raining, try to pick some stuff. Let's see what we got. We had so much rain lately, so finally I'm getting out and picking the green beans. And intentionally I'm leaving some on for seeds. This is for seeds. This is for seeds. So I have about 10 pods for seed. That's gonna be a lot of beans for next year. As I said, we had a lot of rain, and this guy is split. So I'm gonna get that one off, take it inside and have it ripened a little more, and then I'm gonna can this or freeze it, and I'm gonna harvest this. This is ready, nice and big, and I'm gonna harvest that as well. I'm gonna harvest these last three in just a little bit up by the fence. Some of these butternuts that I planted late are already fruiting, and I think a couple of these pollinated. You see, and this one also has some flowers, and here's one that's actually growing pretty nicely, so I'm hoping that we don't get a frost for about another month and we will have some fruits out of these. That would be nice. So here's my harvest on a rainy day. Some nice sized butternut squashes. A couple of them are split. I will keep them on the shelf in the basement for a couple of weeks so they can ripen more, and then I'll cut them up and either freeze them or can them. Anything that's in good shape will last a year, just in whole. And then I have some peppers still. I haven't picked them all. There's a lot more coming. And a lot of green beans. And even found a couple of beetroots and a cucumber. And I harvested a bunch of my basils. I'm gonna be dehydrating this tonight for a friend. So that's where we are today.